Good morning, guys. Today it is Today is Monday, September. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, March. Why do I keep saying March? Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, November the 7th. Today I'm going to take a COVID test to see if I'm able to go back to the school, and if I'm not able to go back to school, then that's another day of television class that I have to miss. And I feel like after the second day, after missing another class, I would be probably failing by now, because now we in the part where you have to be on campus and actually be in production. The lecture part is over, on hands type of thing, and I can't do my finals if I'm not there to use the camera, and she can't catch me up. We're supposed to be in groups, but I don't want to get nobody sick. My sisters I think they still sick, and I didn't get COVID at first, but then right after I took my test, I started feeling like weird. So I haven't took a COVID test, so I'm feeling better now, but I'll probably have it now because I haven't taken a COVID test since I got sick. So we're gonna be going to CVS right now, get that COVID test and taking it. I wish I could just take it outside, but I don't want people to see me dig it up in my nose with a Q-tip and like, what the fuck she got going on? And it's in the morning, it's 8 o'clock, it's 17:10. I'm supposed to be walking right now, but I had to get ready, get dressed. If I got COVID, I don't even know how many days to wait to take another COVID test. But if I don't have COVID, either go to school today, I don't come back to Baltimore to Tuesday. But we'll see when I have to be with my sister tomorrow and today. Okay, so I'm not even gonna pack right now because I don't want to pack and then have to take everything out. And I gotta wash. Hopefully I don't got COVID. I've been feeling kind of weird though. I don't know what it is, but hopefully it's not nothing. Alright guys, I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Okay, it is 3:16. I just got out of class, but I fell asleep like during class. I fell asleep around like 2:40. This is my second time falling asleep. I've been so tired after the rotoscope doing. Really got me tired. I'm about to lay my ass right back down. But before I do that, I just want to update you guys from earlier when it was like around like 7 o'clock, I think. I went to CVS. I got a COVID test. Matter of fact, if y'all guys can see it, I'm positive. When it's 2 lines, that means it's positive. You could barely see the 2 lines, but baby, I know when I know it and I see it when I see it, okay? If y'all can't see it, I'm gonna see if you can't see it. Let me see. Y'all probably can't see either. But if y'all can, then y'all know I'm positive too. I was gonna take another test today, but it said I could wait 24 hours for that to happen, so no more than 48 hours. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow and I'll check it again. Yeah, I gotta come take that test. I emailed my professor and let him know like, hey, I take a test. I'm still positive. Let me know what can I do, because I did not want to fail the classes. Yeah, she haven't hit me back yet. Our class is at 6 today. I'm pretty sure they probably wrapping up the last chapter. It makes me sad because I wanna be like a part of it. It's like a team and I'm not part of it because I'm sick and I don't like that. Anyway, let's get on to the next thing before I let you guys go. Welcome back guys to another video. Today we are going to be doing a study with me. Not really study with me because I'm not studying something I really know how to do. I'm just doing my homework, but it's going to say rotoscope with me because I'm doing the rotoscope. I'm going to show you this is my second rotoscope because this part is the final project for the semester. We still do have a final exam that I have to do, which is I don't know yet. He's gonna explain that on Monday. We do that on campus, but I'm not gonna go on campus for certain reasons. I was gonna do it in real time, but it's a lot of editing, and I just don't feel like having all that footage on my camera, and then it's gonna go onto my desktop. I mean, not my desktop, my computer, and then on CapCut, and it's just gonna be a lot. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on the flip side. Alright guys, so I'm done with, well, I'm not done with it, but I'm done for today for doing the water scoping part. Now it's time to, oh, so wait, let me tell you something. So yesterday I found out that I'm qualified to do the reels for Facebook to get paid on it. And I uploaded 2 videos and it was getting, you know, views and stuff like that, but it was also getting like the bonus plays or whatever. But then all of a sudden, I checked last night, it was like, well, not all of a sudden, they was like, we cannot pay you for these 2 videos because it got watermark. And I was like, I did be there earlier, so now I have to go and put up videos that don't got TikTok on it, because I can either download the videos, take off the watermark, or I can just edit like my YouTube channel trailers also, because y'all like that too. If you guys follow my Facebook and Instagram, y'all like those too, and just upload those to Instagram and Facebook. But I see, I think I like TikTok more. Y'all like when I'm acting more, so I'm gonna do that and just take the watermark off. And they say you also can re-upload, so that's already there, of course. So I'm about to do that, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm done, because I was gonna like do another, I was gonna do a TikTok on this camera, just have it like on here, like play it or whatever on my phone, and then record it here. But as you guys can see, this is a big ass space, and like I either had to shrink it down, not shrink it down, but crop it and fit that TikTok format thing, or it's gonna just look kind of weird. But y'all did like the other one too that I uploaded. Well, I think I uploaded to YouTube, but y'all did like when I did paid in full one, and I was like over here, like right there, and the other side right there, and I did thing. Y'all like that. I don't know, because it was bigger, it was better quality. I don't know. I feel like it was a little bit blue on the bluey side, but whatever. We stop talking and let's get through this editing. See y'all later.